Second pre-competitive skill test. Friends have talked about employment full stop, but whether the raising levels will in any way mitigate unemployment is a question full stop. If the minister gives substantial relief in taxation, I think that might lead to an acceleration in the pace of development. Full stop. Weather conditions hold up trains, planes and ships, and the perfect piece of planning works out less perfectly than he had hoped. The local council are drastically cutting down expenditure by postponing several extravagant schemes so as to reduce the rates, while the war office have just renewed large contracts locally on revised tenders. Full stop. These should prove of great assistance in enabling the area to regain its equilibrium. Full stop. New paragraph. We feel that our own lives are too short and we wish that it were possible for us to see more than just a very little of that development before we too became part of the past, whatever which perhaps lives on. Full stop. In this statement, the government pointed out that in certain cases it might be necessary for them not to award punishment prescribed in the law as it exists at present, but to forfeit a part of the deposit. Full stop. Further, I have heard in confidence that very large orders for steamship material will be placed locally. Full stop. Before the House adjourned yesterday, I had started speaking on the essential commodities bill. Full stop. New paragraph. This relates to minor offences under the Essential Commodities Act. Full stop. I can quite understand this, and therefore nobody would oppose this, but question that I wish to raise before the House is the manner in which this act is being implemented. Full stop. I should at once consider that you will regard the occurrence as an unfortunate one arising from a misunderstanding that circumstances could hardly have been avoided in order to prevent a recurrence of the incident of Wednesday last. Full stop. I am also assured that our efforts in this direction will prove beneficial to interests to distributors. Full stop. Valuable days pass until we found that the work is either put through to time and running about on the part of everyone interested, or it is put through with resulting loss of goodwill. Full stop.